There will be same day Eid al-Fitr everywhere in the United States. Thank God, thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That was not the case at the beginning of the month because it was very so close to crescent formation, and then some people thought that it was crescent formed, others said it was not visible, and it becomes very difficult. But Alhamdulillah for Eid, that confusion is over, because clearly throughout, on the night before, crescent is not formed at all, and it's not visible, but next day it's clearly visible, and it'll stay longer. Many people say, oh, we should have missed it, maybe we missed it yesterday because it's still up, it's an hour and a half. That's not the case. When it's 30 days moon, it usually stays up in the horizon much longer. And it's basically, now the calculations and everything else is just about precise. We have Islamized the science. Science has become Muslim because children that came here some time ago, Muslim families, their children now are in that age where they are actually helping out and telling science what we are looking for. We are not looking for a new moon. New moon gave us so much trouble. People thought the new moon means now we should start. And for years and years, we could not convince people that it's not a visible moon. But they said, we can go to the moon and you can tell me this. And they would say, new moon is new. I'm going to start it. So that's what people used to do. Alhamdulillah, that is not the case now. So keep coming for the Taraveeh, please, after that also, until we celebrate Eid. That's number one. And number two, that $1 a day, don't underestimate it. Although your intention is to catch that particular Laylatul Qadr night, so that you can have it like 80 years of donations. But if your intention is that, and you do it every day, one of those days will be inshallah Laylatul Qadr, and you will be able to get that. Plus, other days are also not that insignificant. In the masjid, when you donate, and during the month of Ramadan, you still get a lot more sawab than ordinarily you would get when you make donations elsewhere. So, continue with the practice that you have of donating for the masjid. Amount is not important, it's the intention, it's basically the desire that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts your donation.